Watertight compartment number 6 is the lazarette. In this compartment are 2 Kohler 65 kilowatt generators, along with 2 John Deere diesel engines and emergency steering equipment. At the power control panel, you can select from shore power when hooked up to the dock, or, if the generators are turned on, select the generators to provide power to the vessel. The generator start procedure is posted on the wall in this compartment. Seawater intake valves and strainers are located under a panel in the floor. The nuisance pump works on a timer that turns on to make sure that if there was a leak in the compartment below, it would automatically pump over the side. When out on voyage, this option is turned off. In this compartment, generator blower number 1 and generator blower number 2 must be started manually. Here is the fuel supply valve and return. The engines for the generators each have a Murphy oil monitor to visually check the oil level. Here is the serpentine belt to check the belt deflection. Each engine has a Racor filter. The engine coolant levels can be checked by observing levels in the coolant reservoirs. There is a battery for both engines with a battery switch for each. The switches to turn them on and off are located on either side of the compartment. This is the auto button. Pressing it places the generator in auto. Pressing auto and run simultaneously will turn on the generators so they can be checked for abnormalities. Confirm raw water flow by feeling the faceplate on the water pump. If it's hot, there's an issue, but if it's cool, then there's water flow. The Baysmart Express is equipped with auxiliary steering. In order to operate the auxiliary steering, the hydraulics need to be bypassed by turning the labeled valves and using a wrench to engage the steering bypass.